Hey, fourth graders. This is Decimal Review, pages 303 to 304. Alrighty, so let's begin. Number one, complete the place value chart. So we have how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 digits here. And they're asking you what's the place value of each one of these. So we know that, to the left of the decimal point, we got the ones place. Then the next place is tens, right? 62. So 2 ones and 6 tens is 62. Then this is hundreds, and so on. Right, so 962 is 9 hundreds, 6 tens, so 60, and then 2 ones, 2. All right, so we know that on to the right of the decimal point here, we have the place values that ends with the letters inths, right? So 0 is the tenths place. Remember, fractions don't for place values to the right of the decimal point, when you go into fractions, you don't start with ones, you start with tenths. Okay, so 0 tenths, and then next would be the same as the next position here, hundredths. Okay, and then what's after that? What's after hundredths? All right, number 2, write as decimals or mixed mixed decimals. So 9 tenths. So now you just take this description, sorry, not description, but this number here in word form, and change it to a decimal or a mixed decimal. So 9 tenths. That means 9 is in the tenths place. So you have a decimal point here. And what's the tenths place? Just one place over to the right. Right here's 0.9, right? Is 9 tenths. 4 and 3 tenths. So 4 and whenever you see the word and, you have to put a decimal point. 3 tenths. So that means 3 needs to be in the tenths place. So where would I put that? All right. And you might get something that, might say 7. Let's write on the other side. Let's say you might get something that's like 7 and 3 thousandths. So we have our, first our decimal point here, and then you write 7 and, okay, so and is a decimal point, 3 thousandths. That means the 3 needs to be in the thousandths place. So I know if I look at my chart here, this is tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So 3 needs to be in the thousandths place, and the rest of these is 0. Okay, so 7.003 is 7 and 3 thousandths. All right, so just keep that in mind. Change to mixed decimals. So similar to what we've done. Oh, actually, no, this is different. Sorry. Change to mixed decimal. So, for example, 5 and 16 100ths. So 5, if I change this to a mixed decimal, I would do 5 and then point, decimal number, 16 hundredths. So 16 needs to be in the hundredths place. So we know this is tenths and then hundredths. So 16 hundredths. So 5.16 would be 5 and 16 hundredths. Do the rest by yourself. Change to a mixed number. 6.327. Change to a mixed number. All right, so let's say if it was 3.695, so 3 and 695 thousandths. So 3 is our whole number. 3 is our whole number, and 695 thousandths. So 695. So how many zeros do I need to put? So I have, sorry, zoom out. So I have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So that tells me how many zeros I need to put on my decimal point. So fill that with zeros. Added 1 in the beginning. So 3 and 695 thousandths. Okay, it's hard to say. So that will be your mixed number. Yeah. So let's do another one. It's been a while since we've done these. Let's do 118.3. So 118 and 3/10. So write your whole number here, 118, whatever number is before the decimal point, and this is 3/10. So 3, and how many place values do I have here? Just 1. Okay, so that tells me how many zeros. So 3/10. All right. Write the metric prefix in the blank. Let's see. So this is so it's asking you, is this centi, hecto, deca, kilo? What is it? So you might need to go to page 348 will help you with this. All right. If you don't have page 348, then I'm not sure what to tell you. Sorry. Yeah. You might have to just look it up on the internet or something. But it's on page 348. Let me look real quick, see if any of the previous pages have the metric system. Sorry, I'm not sure. If I find one, I'll add it in the description in the bottom. All right. But the first one, 0.01, you know that's centi, right? Okay. Add or subtract. Okay, so you just add it as normal, but just make sure you bring the decimal point straight down. Okay, so bring the decimal point straight down. Alrighty, 10 minus $6.29. So let's do an example question here. Let's do $10 minus $5.32. So we have our $10 here. So if the way for me to subtract $5.32, I can't subtract it like this, because right now I'm subtracting. You see how I'm subtracting dollars, $10 by cents, 32 cents. I can't do that. I have to line up my dollars and my cents together. So I have my $10 here, and I put my 5. So let's do 10, 0, 0. Okay, so now it's lined up $5.32, so it matches with this decimal point. 5 here, and then 32 cents next to it. So that's how I would solve this question. All right. So just make sure you line it up correctly. Don't do it like this. This is not how you would subtract money. So even if I did subtract it like this, so $10 minus $5.32, you know that, I can't even, well, hold on. Yeah, how would I supposed to do this? I can't borrow from here, right? So that's going to I should send some red flags in your mind. Okay. Alrighty. Same with these. Yeah. All right. Yeah. For this one, make sure you're lining up your numbers correctly. Like $5.04 minus $3.09. Line up the decimal points with decimal points here. Okay. Review. Fill in the blanks. 1 square feet equals how many square inches? All right. We've did this before. Let me see what page will help you with this. In the back. What page in the back? I'm not sure. I might have to add it in the description bottom. Yeah, I can't find it right now. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Page 345. Okay, probably can't see that. Page 345. Okay. All right. Multiply carefully. All right, this should be okay. Okay, word problems. Everybody's favorite. All right. Solve these story problems. Trevor is reading a large book with whatever his Roman numeral is. So this is 34 chapters in it. He has already finished 19 chapters. How many more chapters does he? Circle the numbers. Oh, I keep doing this. How many more chapters does he have left to read? Okay, so I just kind of told you the answer here. This is 34, obviously. So this book has 34 chapters. He finished, what number is this? 19 of them. How many more chapters does he have left to read? So what do you think we should do to figure that out? All right. Add, subtract, multiply. I think you guys could figure it out. Okay, B. This summer, Caitlin's family plans to travel around America. They plan to travel 5,304 miles in all. They will be gone for 24 days. If they travel the same number of miles each day, how many miles will they go each day? So, travel the same number of miles each day. How many miles will they go each day? So they have planned to travel. So the whole trip is 5,304 miles long, and they have 24 hours. Sorry, 24 days to do it in. All right. So you have 24 days, and you have to travel 5,304 miles. What order? What operation would you do? Would you multiply, divide, subtract, or add? Which one would you do? Would you add? Would you subtract? Would you multiply? Or would you divide? Okay, so that will tell you. I'll let you guys figure that out. That will tell you, yeah, how many miles will they go each day. So this would tell you how many miles in one day will they need to travel. All right, let you guys figure that out. Divide and check. So you're just doing long division again and dividing. Remember, guys, to round up. So 40 divided into 50. How many times? Okay. Alrighty. Next one, reduce. So 4/12. So I'll just do 4/12 for you guys. So 4/12. What number can go into 4 and 12? Well, the number 4, right? Yeah. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 1/3. Can I reduce this any even lower? Nope, I can't go lower than 1. 1 is the lowest in a fraction, so this is 1/3. So do the same thing for the rest of the fractions. Change to a mixed number. So we hit all these improper fractions, just like what we did in our last lesson. So you're just doing long division. So 4/3, you would need to divide the denominator into the numerator. So 4 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract it. 1. Remainder 1. So 1 and 1. What? 1/3. That would be my answer for 12A. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Of course, any questions, just ask. All right. Take care.